Hey folks, you guys doing any breaks in 0 degree weather? I can't even talk. Don't forget your nice little propane heater. Keeps it nice and toasty over here. But that little screw in there that usually breaks because of the Phillips brakes in there, or you get that proper tool in there, the impact, and you spin that and it still breaks. WD-40, PB blaster, that stuff don't hurt, don't work. Take a little punch, you knock it, that doesn't work. And once the tool breaks in there, then forget about using a Phillips anyway. But what I did was, I used my little cut-off tool, Home Depot Rigid. Cut a bunch of grooves in there, as you can tell. Okay? And once you cut the head off, you hit this with a hammer. This thing will come out. And look at that. All you need now is your trusty little vice grip. And get that out. If you want, you can also hit that with PB blaster, just to make sure. Or hit it with your little propane tank, just to make sure that it's gonna spin out nice. Oh look, spin out by hand. Forget the vice grip, people. It's still kind of warm. All right, there you go. Check that out. Make sure you throw it away, otherwise you leave it in your driveway, you're gonna end up running it over. That's it. Ciao for now. 0 degrees with the wind chill. Woohoo! Lucky this thing is here working for me. Go check it out. It's pretty good. It works with a propane tank, electricity to ignite it. Boom! It's toasty in here, and I'm outside too. All right. Thanks for watching.